Alright guys, welcome back. So here it is. What day is it, Dad? It's Friday the 19th of June, and so we're here at an estate sale. My dad actually saw it, and I also saw it on like the internet, you know, on the interwebs. We're about to go inside and we're going to take you guys along with us. This is going to be one of the first stops for the weekend, and then tomorrow we're going to do a liquidation center as well as another garage sale. Say hi, Dad. So yeah, let's go. Let's see what we can find. Alright, so we're going to jump right into things, but hit the subscribe button down below if you want to join the family, and the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video Monday and Thursday. And please give this video a big thumbs up if you find it fun or interesting. It really helps to grow the channel and the YouTube algorithm, which helps put this channel in front of other people who find it valuable. Alright guys, I'm going to test out some, you know, ASMR. Just kidding. Just doing a voiceover because my microphone wasn't working. But here we're in Sun City. It's a part of Las Vegas that a lot of people come to retire. I think estate sales are really cool just because you have the opportunity to get an insight of someone's life, and I think that's pretty special. But that blue jacket that you see there, I picked that up as well as two other ones like it. They're these vintage 80s, 90s Columbia jackets that were super cool. But I went ahead and looked through the other closets that were available as well as through the rest of the house. Personally, I didn't find too many things that I think that I would be able to resell. However, though it didn't work for me, you never know, for the right buyer, it'll be good for them. But yeah, just wanted to point out some cool things like these pairs of jeans, as well as this cool cowboy hat, you know what I mean? But yeah, you know what I mean, Jelly Bean? But yeah, awkward. But those are some of the jackets that I got that are there on the couch. So this estate sale is actually run by a local company, and I'll link them in the description below. But go to estate sales in your own local area. Just, you know, boop, boop, beep, bop, go on Google, research it, do a little work. And yeah, next thing we're going to be going to is the Liquidation Center, and I'll be showing you guys that. And let's go. So now we're at the liquidation store that's going out of business. It wasn't too much here. I was hoping to maybe find some cool electronics, maybe some controllers for gaming, things like that. But everything was really home-based, as in a lot of home decor, a lot of lighting, AC, fans, things like that. So nothing that really pertained to me too much. But my dad was able to find a few things here, nothing too crazy. But I'll go ahead and link the description down below just so you guys are able to go check it out if you're in Las Vegas. And we'll go ahead, show you our pickups, and get into the garage sales coming up. So hope you liked it. Nothing too crazy here, but yeah. Alright, I didn't get anything from the liquidation sale, but my dad did. He just got a few things just for like repairing things around the house, and he loves having a wood burning fire in the backyard, so that's what that's for. But yeah, how do you feel, Dad? Are you happy?
Very happy.
So this is the second garage sale that we ended up going to that day. Didn't film the first one as well as a few other ones, but I just wanted to be able to show you guys what we kind of see when we do go to garage sales, and just some of the interesting little things that people have out for sale. But you just gotta sift through everything, look, and find a few gems in the meantime. Alright, now we're at our next garage sale. We've already hit a few of them already so far, but now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hit this new garage sale. Let's see what we can find. Surprise, another garage sale. Wow. But here the people were super cool, very nice. I ended up picking up two different shirts that you'll end up seeing in one of the following clips, but I will also be talking more extensively about what I bought at the end of this video, so make sure that you're staying tuned for that, guys. And give this video a big thumbs up for the algorithm. Thanks. All right, we're here at another garage sale right here. We love that sign, Vegas strong. And so we're here. There we are. Say hi, Dad. But here are these super cool handmade. So the guy that made these, he was a railroad engineer?
A retired railroad engineer.
A retired railroad engineer, and this was his little side hustle, his little side thing. Like, he did this. So.
He made biplanes too.
Really?
So the old, the old fabric biplanes.
Yeah, he did. We sold all of those over the years.
Sold those over the years too. I actually have one.
Oh, you have one left?
Those over there were pretty cool. I actually love those. Very interesting. Yeah. He also met a little
something
friend.
like the planes. Yeah, I'm sure it's about the same on here. The planes
She
are
looks like
17 cans.
She's adorable.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, so I'm here at another garage sale, and this just goes to show like what happens in Vegas. Like, look at this Jaguar furniture. Sick. This guy has a bunch of cool stuff out here. Just, oh, thank you, love that. Bugs Bunny costume. So many different like cool things. There's also a bunch of patches over here. Just so many Steelers. Some different baseball patches. Look at this, sick. This is super cool, especially if you're reselling things for patching for like a lot of people that ride motorcycles like to attach these to their jackets. So this is all pretty sick. Alright guys, we're here at another garage sale. We got some cool things here, some porcelain dolls, all this stuff over here, lots of cool decorations. So if you're looking for something for Christmas, they got you. So this garage sale was really cool. The people that live here are actually resellers themselves. They predominantly just sell on eBay. They sell these cool knickknacks, all these cool things that were around the house. You'll see that there's this Living Color, Season 1, just a bunch of cool things like this vintage projector, and I'll link their description. What am I even saying? I'll link their information in the description because they're going to continue to hold garage sales the rest of the summer before they end up moving. Super amazing, nice people, and if you're in Vegas, definitely recommend checking them out. So give them a look out. All right, here's some of the different cool things that I got. I got these Alexander dolls as well as these cool Rock Revival jeans. So I'm going to go ahead and pay them. It's $23 for everything in total, and we'll go to the next one. Alright guys, so we just got back from the garage sales and eating some lunch, and we're sitting in my backyard right now because it's a beautiful day. It's like 108 degrees outside, but it's still nice for Las Vegas. So I just wanted to go over with you guys some of the things that I got today, and it was actually pretty cool. Wore masks, the whole 9 yards, so I hope you guys enjoyed some of that footage. I saw some pretty cool things like that guy with like the Jaguar furniture. I have not seen anything like that since like the 80s or 90s. That's such like old weird Vegas. I swear you see so many like things like that here. So pretty cool just to see it all, but I just wanted to show you guys that footage too. Now we're gonna go over the things. I think in total here I spent about $33, like nothing too crazy. This is the first thing that I got. So I got this at the first garage sale that we went to, and this is a Victoria's Secret just like a sports top, neon yellow, perfect condition, looks like it's never been worn before. It's in a size small. So right now what I'm noticing with summer slowdown and everything, the one thing that is still selling is athletic wear. This is like still like long sleeves. I still think that it'll do like decently well just because it is something that is on the athletic side. I'm gonna price it pretty well. I ended up getting that for $2 at the garage sale. Also got these for an additional $2. If you don't already know, Las Vegas, we are now getting the Raiders, so we're gonna be Raider Nation. A lot of people are going to be more into these. These are Raiders sliders. These are completely unworn. These are made by Foco. They have like the tags, everything. They're official NFL like slides, sneakers, slides. So we have these official Raiders slides authenticated by the NFL. I will definitely be selling these, especially since they're still in the original packaging. That's going to be amazing, and those were $2 as well. Next pickup that we got at the next garage sale, I only got a few things from all these because honestly a lot of them were kind of like junky, so whatever, but I was able to find a cool garage sale. They're actually resellers, and they're getting rid of a bunch of stuff that they've had in their warehouse that they just didn't realize they had. So they brought a lot of this stuff out, and I'll show you that in a second. But the next thing that I picked up at the garage sale is this Broncos t-shirt, long sleeve for men. Even though summer slowdown is a thing, men's clothes is still hot and men love their teams. I'm definitely going to be looking out for a lot more men's clothes, especially if it's related to sports. That was for $2. And I also got this Denver Broncos Super Bowl championship shirt, also a long sleeve, for $2. So these in total were $4. So can't be mad at that at all. Next garage sale that we went to, I want to say we went to about like 6 or 7 of them. Like I mentioned earlier, some of the people that we did see at their yard sale, I'll link their information down below because I know they're going to do more garage sales. They had a box of these dolls. These dolls are called Alexander dolls. So they had a box of them, right? And so I thought each doll was going to be $20, but it was actually the whole box of dolls was $20. When I looked up comps on eBay, these dolls sell for about $20 to like up to like $75 a piece. getting all of these in like this still has like the original tagging. Though I haven't ever really done toys before, I definitely am interested in like trying different things, new ventures. You want to be optimizing different just like streams of income as much as possible, looking into different ways and different things that you could be selling. So don't just stop at clothes, look into other pieces as well. And toys are a really, really big thing, especially these porcelain dolls. These are huge. This whole like baggie of them, like this whole thing is all just dolls. And I want to say that there's probably like 12 to 20 dolls in here. Minimum, I'll probably be selling them for like $20 each with free shipping. So I'm going to talk to my friend Rafa later today because he does everything. He's the one that actually really inspired me along with my friend Shav to do sneaker reselling, and he also talks to me a lot about toys. So I'm excited to see what those go for. At that same house, I also got these pair of jeans. These are a men's jeans. These are from Rock and Revival. Right here, as you can see. But these are like very much so for people who are into like the rock and roll scene. Like this is very like Vegas. Like these are very Vegas. These jeans end up retailing for quite a bit of money. When I was looking for comps online on eBay, these are going for about, I want to say $45 a pair, and I got these for $3. So that's not a bad margin by any means. I'll probably end up posting these on Poshmark, Mercari, as well as eBay. Slap on some nice free shipping for these and get these all delivered, and really be looking to optimize different areas of your business that you're looking into, like reselling. Look into men's clothes, look into sneakers, look into toys, look into women, into really anything really. Don't be afraid. Just never stop at whatever you're looking at because there's always a different opportunities. That's it for this little haul. Got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clothing pieces, as well as the whole big thing of dolls. And my dad ended up getting those super cool, what is it? The trains. He got them for $5 a piece. They're just cool conversation pieces. My dad likes little weird knick-knack things like that. But I just wanted to show you guys exactly what I got today on today's finds. It only took us like what, like a couple of hours to like go to all the garage sales. We hit a bunch of them. But it was a cool little thing to do with my dad and his girlfriend, so that was pretty nice. As of now, I think the strategy going forward is going to be a little bit less sourcing, focusing on learning different platforms such as eBay and Mercari. I don't know if I've told you guys this before, but I'm looking into starting my own jewelry boutique online. The reason for that is because I've always been really interested in learning how to do marketing, learning more about like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, all of those things. I figured if I'm going to do freelancing work for other companies to be able to do this for them, I might as well do it for my own business, for my own brand, to build something up for myself. So I think I will be focusing a little bit more on that as well. I know I feel like I'm doing like a bunch of different things, but because I'm only in summer school, I only have 2 classes, I'm focusing on the reselling business, but I've learned how to optimize my time, make a schedule and everything like that, so I can focus on other areas of business as well. That's it for today, but I hope you guys like it, and yeah, bye!